Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool. I have the brand new PlayStation Portable in hand right here. And yeah, we're just gonna unbox it and then set it up to the new PlayStation 5 Slim that I have right here. And yeah, that's it. And we'll check it out and I'll let you know what I think, you know, stuff like that. All right, guys. To say I'm excited about this is a understatement. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this open. Ooh, remote player. All right. So far, I'm digging the packaging. Pretty nice. It even has this PlayStation like little, you know, the triangle, circle, X, square tab here. Pretty nice. All right. Okay, that does feel good in the hands, and it is light. I can tell you that. All right, I'm impressed so far. Okay, let's look at the back. Okay, so it looks like here, I'll bring it in closer. All right, so it looks like volume up, volume down. I don't know what that button is just yet. Power, or trigger, that, and that's cool. This is like a little PlayStation logo there, your PlayStation button. This looks like your mute for the microphone and stuff here. All right, and yeah, surprisingly, it feels good. Also, really quick on the underside, you can see the 3.5mm headphone jack and the USB-C where you plug it into charge. Wow. I don't know what I was expecting, but it feels very well made, very sturdy, and wow, surprisingly light. Now, I did buy a screen protector. If you guys want one, I'll leave a link in the description of the one that I bought. So yeah, I'm going to peel this off and put on my screen protector. Wow. All right, let me put on the screen protector. One sec, guys. All right, screen protector on. We're good to go. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so a USB-C cable, so you can charge it. And instruction manual. All right, so let's go ahead and let's set it up. All right, so we're gonna connect the PlayStation Portal really quick. Go into your system settings, go down to remote play, and make sure you have enable remote play turned on. And yeah, all right, let me grab the PlayStation Portal. All right, so after doing the update, then there was another update, and then yeah, it's telling me to select the PlayStation 5. Okay. Yeah, I got a few, but yeah, right here, upstairs PS5, that's the one I want. All right, and here I am. Wow. All right, so it is all set up. Good to go, pretty trippy. Yeah, but let me tell you, the resolution and everything, although it's only 1080p, looks good. And it's very light. It's comfortable. The screen is like the perfect size. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this for about a day or so, and then I'll report back. All right, guys, so I played for about 4 or 5 hours just in the house. Let's see, I was on the couch in the living room when the TV was occupied. I played in another area of my house, like this nook area, played there, was playing Outriders, and it was great. Had no issues. I noticed maybe a half a second delay, and that's because the game is so fast paced and it's online only, but it's so fast paced, I can tell, because I think I have over 750 hours in the game, 770, I think. Anyways, I played it so much, I noticed anything down to the millisecond. So there was a half a second delay, but not enough to deter me. I also did go out to Starbucks today, use the Wi-Fi hotspot on my cell phone. It was all good. I don't care about Bluetooth. It's not that big of a deal to me. I have some wired headphones that I use. As a matter of fact, when I online game, I use a wired headset just like this, and I have one in one ear, and the microphone works great, and the sound is playing through my home theater system. So I'm used to using a wired connection, and it's no big deal. Now, on the weekends, I wake up really early, like 5:30 in the morning, but my wife is a light sleeper. So if I get up out of bed, she'll wake up. So now if I'm in bed and I can play this, well then it's awesome. And I just wanted a dedicated device. I don't want to have to use a tablet or use my iPad Pro or my phone and a controller or buy a Steam Deck, even though I have a gaming computer. I don't care. I just wanted a dedicated device to play my PS5 games, and this is it, and it works magnificently. I really don't have any complaints. It just works. So decide for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Don't listen to other people online. Decide for yourself if this is something you think you will use. But as far as if it works and all that, it does. It does its job pretty darn good, and it's light. The battery life is great. Yeah, it seems like it takes a little bit to connect initially. Like when you turn it on, I don't know, maybe it'll take it like a good minute or something. It'll say connecting to PS5, blah, blah, blah. Then it connects and you're rocking and rolling. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys have any questions or anything, go ahead and let me know. This was just a quick unboxing setup and a brief opinion on what I think of it. So for my use case, it's perfect. I love it. And that's it. All right, guys.